Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today our topic is how to create a wholesale bill in MargBooks. With the wholesale bill feature in MargBooks, you can easily create sales invoices for your wholesale customers. So, let's see how to create a wholesale bill in MargBooks. First, log into MargBooks. After logging in, the dashboard will appear. Now, go to the left side menu and click on Sale. Next, click on the plus icon in front of Bill. Now, select the party for whom you want to create the wholesale bill. Then, enter the item name in the item search box and select the required item. After selecting the item, enter the quantity, rate, and any other required details. If the bill contains multiple items, add the remaining items in the same way. Once all the items have been added, click on the F10 or Save button. After verifying all the details, click on the Save button. Once the bill is saved, the wholesale bill will be created successfully. You can then print or preview the bill as required. The wholesale bill feature helps you easily manage large orders, keep your sales records organized, and track customer transactions more efficiently. In this way, by creating a wholesale bill in MargBooks, you can make your wholesale billing process faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Thank you.